This cable has a connector here that's 10 millimeter. And it just comes off to reveal a threaded rod underneath. These nuts are also 10 millimeter, but because the threaded rod sticks up, you need a deep socket. Take a look at those hooks and see how they attach to the battery box before taking them out. These connectors have a bend in them that connect to the battery box to hold it in place. I have to use a ratchet to get in here. My impact driver wouldn't fit. Take the negative cable off before the positive cable. This is a 12 millimeter nut, so we have to use one of these wrenches to get into the tight space. It's kind of jammed in there. I'll just give it a couple taps to try and loosen it up. When you lose power for 10 or 15 minutes, the car forgets how to roll down the window in one click. And to fix this, start the car, press the button until it goes down all the way, Then raise the window until it goes up all the way and hold the button for 2 seconds. Now it should be fixed. And you're done.